His best friend confessed her love by accident, and he ran 4 blocks to her door. Ryan never believed a single sentence could change an entire life. Yet at exactly 8:47 on a rainy Thursday evening, one accidental voice message shattered the walls around his heart. It wasn't meant for him. It wasn't even supposed to be sent. But as he stood frozen in his tiny apartment listening to his best friend Emma whisper through tears that she had loved him for years and was tired of pretending otherwise, his world stopped spinning. By the time the message ended, Ryan wasn't thinking anymore. He threw on his jacket, forgot his phone on the kitchen counter, and sprinted through the pouring rain, running 4 blocks toward the only person he had unknowingly been searching for his entire life. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and the courage to follow your heart, please take a moment to like this video, comment where you're watching from, share it with someone special, and subscribe to Shadow of Kindness for more emotional stories that remind us love is worth fighting for. Ryan and Emma had been inseparable since they were 12 years old. They survived awkward school dances, heartbreaking breakups, impossible college exams, and the painful uncertainty of adulthood together. Everyone around them assumed they would eventually become a couple, but life had a strange way of keeping them just a few steps apart. Whenever Ryan almost admitted his feelings, Emma was dating someone else. Whenever Emma gathered enough courage to say something, Ryan convinced himself she deserved someone better. Years passed, seasons changed, and both quietly accepted the lie that friendship was safer than risking everything for love. Ryan carried wounds nobody really noticed. After losing his mother at a young age and watching his father slowly disappear emotionally, he learned to hide every feeling behind a smile. He became the dependable friend everyone leaned on while never allowing himself to lean on anyone. Emma was the only exception. She always sensed when his smile wasn't genuine. She remembered the anniversary of his mother's passing, left homemade soup outside his apartment whenever he caught the flu, and celebrated every small achievement as if it were her own. Ryan appreciated every gesture but convinced himself it was simply who Emma was, kind to everyone. He never imagined those quiet acts of kindness came from a heart deeply in love. Emma had her own silent battles. Watching Ryan date other women felt like standing outside a warm house during winter, close enough to see the happiness but never invited inside. She never wanted to burden him with her feelings because she feared losing the friendship that had become the safest place in her life. So she buried her emotions beneath jokes, birthday surprises, and endless encouragement. Every year became a little heavier than the last. On that rainy evening, Emma intended to send a voice message to her cousin. Exhausted from pretending, she admitted everything. She confessed how every goodbye after spending time with Ryan felt like leaving home. She admitted she had memorized the way he laughed, the way he cared for strangers, and the way he always put everyone else first. Most painfully, she whispered that if he never loved her back, she would still choose his friendship because losing him completely would hurt even more. One accidental tap sent the message to Ryan instead. Ryan listened without moving. Memories crashed into him all at once. The nights Emma stayed awake helping him rewrite job applications after he was laid off. The afternoons she drove 2 hours simply because he sounded tired on the phone. The birthday gifts that somehow always arrived exactly when he needed hope most. Suddenly, every unanswered question from the past had an answer. Outside, heavy rain flooded the sidewalks, but Ryan barely noticed. Cars splashed muddy water across his clothes as he ran. His lungs burned, his shoes slipped against wet pavement, and every block felt longer than the last. Fear chased him harder than exhaustion. What if she regretted sending the message? What if she believed he would reject her? What if years of silence had already convinced her she wasn't enough? Emma sat inside her apartment staring at the message notification in complete horror. She realized her mistake only seconds after pressing send. Embarrassment overwhelmed her. She imagined Ryan listening with pity, discomfort, or worse, silence. She considered packing a bag and disappearing for the weekend before he could respond. Her hands trembled as tears blurred her vision. For the first time in years, hope felt more frightening than heartbreak. Then came a desperate knock at her apartment door. When Emma opened it, Ryan stood there soaked from head to toe, breathing so hard he could barely stay upright. Rain dripped from his hair, his jacket clung to his shoulders, and his face carried an emotion she had never seen before. Neither of them needed perfect words. The distance created by years of fear disappeared in a single moment. Ryan finally admitted that he hadn't run because he felt sorry for her. He had run because he couldn't bear the thought of letting another minute pass without telling her that he had loved her too, almost from the very beginning. Fear had stolen enough years from both of them. The months that followed weren't perfect. They had disagreements, awkward adjustments, and moments when friendship and romance overlapped in confusing ways. But something beautiful had changed forever. Instead of hiding behind assumptions, they chose honesty. Instead of protecting themselves from possible heartbreak, they trusted each other enough to become vulnerable. Their relationship wasn't built on dramatic promises, but on thousands of quiet moments that had always existed between them. Shared coffee before work, handwritten notes, hospital visits during sickness, and celebrating ordinary Tuesdays simply because they were together. Years later, Ryan often laughed whenever people asked about their love story. Most expected an expensive vacation, a candle-lit proposal, or some grand romantic plan. Instead, their beginning was a mistake, a voice message never meant to be heard, and a man running 4 rain-soaked blocks because he finally understood that the greatest opportunities in life don't wait forever. Sometimes love whispers so softly that only courage can hear it. Special request. Before this story ends, tell us in the comments, have you ever loved someone in silence and wished they knew how you truly felt? If this story touched your heart, please like this video, leave a heartfelt comment, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to Shadow of Kindness. Your support helps these stories reach people who may be waiting for their own second chance. Remember, the bravest journeys are sometimes only 4 blocks long, but they can lead to a lifetime of happiness.